Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DODO token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DODO is a decentralized exchange DEX and on-chain liquidity protocol that uses a unique proactive market maker PMM algorithm to provide a efficient trading with low slippage. Innovative market maker. It uses a proactive market maker PMM algorithm that mimics human trading by using price oracle to concentrate liquidity, aiming to reduce slippage and implements loss. Comprehensive DeFi hub. The platform offers token swap, cross-chain trading, and tools for project to launch tokens fairly through its crowdfunding feature. Community governed token. The DODO token facilitates platform governance, provides fee discounts, and offers staking rewards through the DODO membership system. DODO project institution rating is 4.6 and this project audited by Celtic and Slowmest. DODO token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion DODO token. DODO token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion through then this project, up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.